Made a simplified model here of the sliding table, 2,500 millimeter long, the 8-foot sliding table on a K700 or KF700. I've got the outrigger positioned as far to the end as possible with the crosscut fence actually overhanging the end of the sliding table. And you can see the extents of the travel. This travel is accurate to Felder specifications. Well, now let's put a piece of plywood on here. There's a 4x8 sheet of plywood, and you can certainly cut the long length for sure, but you don't have much room here at the end of the sliding table to put a clamp, and there's no ability to put a clamp at this end. So if you can at all squeeze in a 9-foot sliding table, that will ease your clamping situation a lot and give you plenty of flexibility. Hope this helps.